Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the midnight walkers no sound issue when the resolve common audio problems.
Fix 1. Check in Game Audio Settings. Step 1. Launch Midnight Walkers. Step 2. Go to Settings Audio. Step 3. Increase master volume and enable sound effects. Step 4. Select the correct output device. Fix 2. Restart the game and PC console. Step 1. Close Midnight Walkers completely. Step 2. Restart your PC or console. Step 3. Launch the game again and check sound. Fix 3. Check system sound output. Step 1. Open sound settings on your device. Step 2. Select the correct speakers and headphones. Step 3. Set volume above 50% and unmute. Fix 4. Disable audio enhancements. Step 1. Open sound settings. Step 2. Click your output device. Step 3. Turn audio enhancements off.